NYRR went there is the original setup was a custom .NET application that ran commerce for them. And then they had Drupal on the front end. And so they wanted to really achieve one single system for staff and operations to manage the entire digital experience. And so, that's one of the main reasons. Also, because everything was custom.NET, every new feature we wanted to offer, from coupons to promotions, your typical commerce features, we had to custom build. And so we wanted something that had the roadmap around the out-of-the-box features that was going to be extensive, as well as a system that was interoperable and robust enough to handle the complexities of the business. Where I see this happen a lot with Sitecore Commerce, that where you're really powerful is like if you're in deep or heavy manufacturing where you need product configuration and you have 300,000 SKUs or a catalog of that size, that type of level of complexity in the business logic and to deliver a user experience that someone can get through that complexity becomes really powerful. And of course, the personalization product path of Sitecore and that capability.